This is my FJ40. I've owned it for around about 10 years and it's probably not the sort of car you would immediately think of when you think of HPA projects. Let's be honest, it's pretty slow. The idea of the project was essentially to build a resto mod, basically modernize everything that goes into the truck, but still have it look like an original FJ40 on the outside, despite the fact it's going to have aftermarket wheels. Pulling out 3 of the resto mods that we've done that are probably my favorites. The first would be the suspension, which is actually going to completely transform the way the truck drives. They're really agriculture in stock form. Now it's going to drive like a modern truck. Secondly is the heated seats. It gets really cold here in Queenstown, probably -5 in the mornings in winter, and I don't like having a cold bum. And the third one is the electric handbrake. This makes it really easy to convert to disc brakes all round, but driving the electric handbrake is a little bit challenging, and this actually requires a bit of electronics that we've got from MoTeC, which is one of their DHBs or dual half-bridge controllers. A half-bridge controller essentially, you think of in its simplest form as a solid-state relay. So you can use a low current output from an ECU to control a high current motor or other actuator, in this case the electric handbrake. It's a little bit more advanced than that. With dual channel or dual half-bridge outputs, we've got the ability to drive a motor in 2 directions, so we can polarity reverse them. Obviously important for a handbrake, we want the polarity in one direction when we're driving the handbrake on, and we need to reverse that to drive it off. So each of the half-bridge outputs can either switch to 12 volts or switch to ground, and by alternating that, that's how we do the polarity reversion. On top of this, we can also pulse width modulate the output. So this is really important for speed control on a servo motor, for example. Most modern ECUs actually have half-bridge outputs built into the ECU because these are also used for the likes of drive-by-wire throttle bodies.